Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send money or crypto using the Coinbase wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the wallet, and then on the main page you will see your balance up here, your coin, your actions, your coins, and again your balance based on the different coins or currencies that you have. Now if you want to send with the Coinbase wallet, you will have to tap on the send button here, and then you can choose what kind of currency do you want to send. For me right now it's only Bitcoin available because I only have Bitcoin in this wallet, but if you have different coins or currencies, then you can go there and choose any of them on this list. Then you can type in the amount of money that you want to send. As you can see, it says in US dollars right now, but obviously it will send the amount in Bitcoin. So if I want to send $1 right now, that would be 0.00002087 Bitcoins. And you can also tap on the max, which will automatically apply your total amount of crypto from this currency. So for me, as you can see, it's 0.0017 thousand Bitcoins. And with this button, you can also switch to the crypto that you are trying to send. As you can see right now, it shows the US dollar amount, $81. But if I want to type in the amount of crypto that I want to send, I could do it like this. Obviously, insufficient balance. I wish I would have 500 Bitcoins. That would be $27 million. Yeah, but that's not the case. Actually, let's do a little experiment that would be very interesting. Leave a comment in the comment section how much is right now 1 Bitcoin. We can trace it in the comments and we can check it. What prices did we have in the future? Right now it's $47,829 1 Bitcoin. Leave in the comments how much is it now. If you're watching this maybe 1 year later, this could be 100,000. I wish. So yeah, then you type in the amount that you want to send. Let's go back to US dollars. Let's tap $1, then go to next, and here you will receive your sending code, or you can go to the scanner and scan a QR code of a wallet, and you can send it that way as well. And that's pretty much it. Or you can copy the code and send it this way. Here it will calculate a fee for you, how much is going to cost you this transaction. Let's go to details. It will be 0.0001029, so it's 49 cents, which is quite high regarding that it's only $1. Let's go and see how much it would be for like $50, because 49 cents for a $1 transaction is quite high. Let's see how much it would be for a $50 transaction, because it's still the half of it. Then that would be kinda ridiculous. Let's see the details. No, actually, so it's a standard fee. It's always 49 cents. I get it. That's quite acceptable. So this is how you can send crypto or any other currencies on the Coinbase Wallet app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.